XRP technical analysis today. Welcome people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will give you a full analysis of XRP. Yesterday there was a massive price peak of more than 30% and it might be interesting to give a full analysis and see if there are opportunities to enter and make some profits. Earlier in February, 13 February, I shared some scenarios on my shorts on YouTube, and this one of the three scenarios, played out very well. So congratulations people if you took the short and the long, and then you could have enjoyed the long ride and make the massive profits. For now, I will remove the scenario from 13 February, check it out in my shorts, and let's start with the full analysis. So I will start at the higher time frame, the monthly. I'll make the levels invisible for now. What do we see on the monthly? We hold the low of 32.33 very nice. That was the top range in 2019-2020. So we hold a low, we create a high, a little higher low, and now we are rejecting the last high from October 2022. But let's see if we can break it. If yes, then next target will be here around 59 cents. From the monthly, I will change to the weekly. So after a long downwards construction, we consolidate, create a high, held the low, even a higher low, small one though. And now what you can see, this candle stopped it at the last drop off point from this one. So that means for now a rejection at 47 or 48 cents. What I would say, a rejection of the last high normally is to go back to the start of the impulse, but the pressure is to the upside, and as I mentioned before, after compression there is extension. So this week there was the extension. I will change to the daily. Here you see the same, a rejection of this last drop off. What do we want to see now? I prefer to see the whole support as high as possible. I'll make the levels visible. So we had this consolidation period. That was this area. The next zone is the zone where we entered now. That is here. Currently we are holding the low of this range, the whole range, the range between 44 and 51 cents. And if we lose support at this low of the range, then I prefer to see a test of the top and then go straight up. So at daily level. So what is interesting, this 40 between 40 and 41 cent area, the 39 cent area, and the 38 cent, 37, 38 start of the impulse. I'll break it down. Go back, we go to the 1 hour. So this is a top. You can see the candle here, there's a small construction in between. Let's go to a lower time frame, 30 minutes, 15, 5 minutes. This is kind of round price action. Seem like people are FOMOing in there. Don't like that kind of price action. I prefer to see, yeah, this is what I mean, round. So either a lot of people will try to enter here at the low of the area, and I assume a lot of people have their stop losses here, here, and let's see what we can find. To the 3 minutes, and to the 1 minute. Okay, I see an interesting construction here. So what I mentioned before, I assume a lot of people will have their stop losses under here, and if we go back to the 4 hour, and let's now back to the 15 minutes. Here it's more clear. Then we might see a liquidity grab. So I would say an entry just above the top range. So at 41 cents, and try to break the 47 cents or higher. Or you go for the more defensive one. And that is around 38 cents. But I prefer to hold as high as possible. So I prefer to hold here at between 40 and 41 cents. That will be very nice. And I think still, let's see how much it is. 14% or more upside. Because we want to see firework from now. Let's change to the daily. Yeah. Here. This was the start of the impulse, which brought us all the way down. So this brought us here. It brought us there. It brought us here. So it might be interesting that this will be the start of the impulse to bring us up high. Yeah. And after a gain of the 51 cents, then the pot is quite open till 59 cents. And yes. Okay, so that was the full analysis of XRP. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, join Team NakedTrader. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.